Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Howard Johnson by Wyndham Greensboro near the Coliseum. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, free parking, family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. Howard Johnson by Wyndham Greensboro near the Coliseum offering an outdoor pool and free Wi-Fi access. This hotel is located 9 minutes drive from the Greensboro, North Carolina city center and 1.6 miles from Rolling Park. A flat-screen cable TV and a seating area are included in all Howard Johnson by Wyndham Greensboro near the Coliseum rooms. An private bathroom with a hairdryer is also featured. Select rooms have tea and coffee making facilities. A fitness center is on site at the Howard Johnson by Wyndham Greensboro near the Coliseum. A 24-hour front desk, a business center, and complimentary parking are available for guests' convenience. A vending machine is offered and 24-hour coffee is available in the lobby. Weatherspoon Art Museum is 8 minutes drive away from the Howard Johnson by Wyndham Greensboro near the Coliseum. Greensboro Arboretum is 2.7 miles from the property. Wild Emerald Pointe Water Park is 6 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.